This is a BENCHMAN XT CNC machine, which used to be controlled with a PC-based controller. Now retrofitted with a new controller. This is industrial level controller, Chinese controller, very capable, very convenient to work with. Has a built-in sort of PLC to allow for programming various things like automatic tool changes like we have here. And everything has been replaced except from the AC servo motors, which have been kept here. I'll show you from the back. Everything here is new servo drives, new power supplies, new wiring. Everything is new. The only thing that has been left is the original AC servo spindle driver. This one has been kept here. And here's the control cabinet. All the wiring, the motor connections from the servo drives, the I/O comes here to the controller. It has a pendant, very convenient. We can move the axis, very responsive. Yeah. Moving the axis, switching from axis to axis, very convenient. Have here a simple program that will demonstrate the tool changer and a few air motions to see the machine in action. Let's run the program. Very convenient and industrial level buttons and knobs. Here, I'll start the program. Well, right, just pause the video. Just had to do the humming here, so did the humming while the video was paused. Start the program. Just can't film the machine in action now. Close up on the machine itself. Here is the tool change. Motions. Now we'll change to another tool.